The secret to a better life isn't out there. It's right here in you, and it all begins with a single breath. Are you ready? As you begin this beautiful new day, allow yourself to settle into a place of stillness. Feel the gentle rhythm of your breath, like waves softly caressing the shore. This moment is yours, a sacred pause before the world rushes in. Let's begin by inhaling deeply, drawing in hope, and exhaling slowly, releasing any tension you carried from yesterday. You are safe here. You are present. You are ready. Imagine the morning sun rising, spreading warm golden light across the horizon. Each ray of light is an invitation to embrace life with an open heart. As you breathe, whisper softly, "Today is a gift, and I choose to unwrap it with joy." Let that thought linger as you breathe in positivity and breathe out doubt. There is a saying, where the mind goes, energy flows. Today, let your mind flow toward gratitude. Think of one simple thing you are thankful for: the breath in your lungs, the sky above you, the quiet moments that remind you of peace. Gratitude is the root of positivity, and when you water it, it blooms into happiness. Now, gently close your eyes if you haven't already. Place your hand over your heart. Feel its steady beat, the sound of life within you. Whisper softly, "I am alive. I am capable. I am enough." These words are not just sounds, they are seeds. Plant them deep in your soul and watch them grow throughout the day. Picture yourself standing in a lush green meadow, the scent of flowers filling the air. The sun kisses your skin, and the breeze carries away all your worries. This is your safe place, your inner sanctuary. Every time your mind feels heavy today, return to this meadow in your thoughts. And remember this truth: peace lives within me. Positivity is not the absence of challenges, but the courage to face them with grace. Let this wisdom guide you today. You may encounter storms, but you carry the calm. You are not the storm. You are the sky that holds it all. Breathe deeply now, feeling your lungs expand like the wide open heavens. Repeat after me in your mind. Today I choose peace. Today I choose joy. Today I choose to see the good in everything. These affirmations are like sunlight breaking through the clouds. Hold them in your heart, and they will illuminate every step you take. Think of a time when you overcame something difficult. Remember the strength it took, the resilience you didn't know you had. That strength is still with you. It never left. Today, you rise with even greater wisdom, ready to face the world with unwavering positivity. A wise poet once wrote, "The morning breeze has secrets to tell you." Don't go back to sleep. As you breathe in, feel that breeze, the whispers of hope, the promise of new beginnings. This day is unspoiled, a blank canvas waiting for the colors of your courage and kindness. Before we move further, take one deep breath, long and slow. Inhale possibility. Exhale everything that does not serve your soul. Feel your shoulders relax, your heart soften. This is your moment of alignment. You are ready for the blessings that are on their way. Now, gently bring your attention back to your breath. Notice how it flows naturally, like a calm river flowing, finding its way to the sea. Each inhale is life entering you. Each exhale is life releasing what you no longer need. Breathe in peace. Breathe out fear. Breathe in light. Breathe out darkness. This is the rhythm of renewal, and it belongs to you. Imagine a soft golden light above your head. With every breath, this light slowly descends, wrapping around your body like a warm embrace. It glows brighter with each inhale, filling your mind with clarity, your heart with love, and your spirit with courage. You are surrounded by light, and that light is your own inner strength. Today, challenges may come, but they are not here to break you. They are here to shape you. When you see obstacles, let them remind you of your power. Just as the lotus blooms in muddy water, you too can rise from difficulty and blossom into beauty. Whisper to yourself, "I rise, I thrive, I shine." Let's pause and take 3 slow breaths together. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling your lungs expand. Hold for a moment, then exhale fully, releasing tension from your body. Do this again. Inhale positivity. Hold. Exhale doubt. Once more, inhale peace. Hold it, and exhale fear. Feel how light and centered you are becoming. A wise soul once said, "Happiness depends on what you think." And right now, you have the power to think thoughts that bring joy. So tell yourself, "I am grateful for this day. I welcome joy into my life. I am worthy of love and abundance." These words are not just affirmations. They are declarations of truth. Bring to mind someone you love deeply. See their face, hear their voice, feel the warmth of their presence. Now send them love from your heart. Imagine a beam of golden light flowing from you to them. Say silently, "May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you live in peace. Notice how giving love also fills you with peace. If your mind begins to wander, gently bring it back to this moment, back to the breath, back to the stillness. It's okay for thoughts to come and go. They are like clouds in the sky, but you remain the vast open blue. You are not your thoughts. You are the calm space that holds them. Here's a thought to carry with you. Every sunrise is an invitation to brighten someone's day. What small act of kindness can you offer today? A smile, a gentle word, a moment of listening. These are seeds of light you can plant in the world. And as you give light, light will return to you in countless ways. Take another deep breath in. Imagine filling your lungs with golden energy. Hold it gently. Now exhale slowly, releasing any heaviness still lingering within. You are being renewed with each breath, and every moment is an opportunity to begin again. In this space of calm, let gratitude wash over you like a warm tide. Whisper softly, "Thank you for this breath. Thank you for this day. Thank you for the gift of life." Feel how these words open your heart and invite abundance into your soul. You are a magnet for goodness, and today will reflect the light you carry within. As this meditation draws near its close, allow yourself to feel the stillness within. This calm you've cultivated is not just for now. It is a gift you can carry into the rest of your day. You have set the tone for peace, strength, and positivity. Let this energy flow through every word you speak and every step you take today. Repeat this affirmation silently or aloud. I am grounded. I am calm. I am filled with positive energy. Let these words echo in your heart like a soft melody. Whenever stress tries to return, breathe deeply and repeat these words. They are your shield and sanctuary. Life is full of surprises, some gentle and some challenging. But remember, you are greater than any challenge you face. You have already proven your strength countless times before this moment. Trust yourself, trust the journey, and trust that every breath is leading you toward peace and purpose. Before we end, take one last deep, slow breath together now. Inhale light, joy, and confidence. Hold it for a moment, savoring the warmth it brings. Now exhale completely, releasing all fear and tension. Feel the sense of renewal, as if a gentle wave of grace has washed over your being. You are ready for this day. You are ready for its opportunities, its blessings, and even its lessons. Walk forward with a heart full of gratitude and positivity. Remember, every sunrise is an invitation to begin again with hope. And today, you have answered that call beautifully with grace and intention. If this meditation brought you peace and light, I invite you to share this message with someone who needs it today. And if you'd like to join us for more moments of calm and inspiration, subscribe to this channel so we can continue this journey together. Let's spread positivity, one breath, one heart, one soul at a time.